Hi there and welcome to my channel. In this clip I show you how to replace the heater hose and a couple of things. Hang on. So let's have a look. If you also have such yellow or white things on the hose, there is a big risk that the hose is leaking and will burst sooner or later, so take care. This stuff there is already leaked coolant, so it's strongly recommended that you change the hose. Last week I already had a hole there where water was spraying out, as you can see on the picture. It made a big mess actually. It doesn't have to be that way. So the first thing we will do is open the clamp and drain the radiator water. Watch your fingers, the water may still be hot, depends on your driving. After that we will loose the brackets on the side and release the other clamp near the firewall. Yeah, that's it. To reattach the hose and fitting the clamp back, don't forget to refill your radiator with new coolant or water, otherwise your motor will overheat quicker than you want. So that's all, have fun and safe driving, hang on.